How to change password in Outlook. So if you want to quickly go ahead and change your password in Outlook, here's how you're going to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to click on My Microsoft Account. Now, once we click on My Microsoft Account, you're going to choose the account that you want to change your password with. And once you go ahead with the account that you want to choose or change the password with, we're going to open up that account. And once that account opens up, it's going to give you a lot of client sign-in authorities where you can simply go ahead and access the forget password or forgot password option. All right, so it's going to load you in over here. And what you're going to do is you can either go in your info where it gives you your profile information. Now, it depends on your region. It might give you the password checkup over here, or it might give you the password checkup in your security. All right. So let me just scour you through on how we're supposed to do that. So when you're here in your info, first of all, make sure that you do remember your email because that's the biggest part of it all. But if we have configured our email, let me show you what is the setting that we're going to need to access to actually change the password for our Outlook email. So we're going to go over to privacy. And once we go over to privacy, you're going to do this. I'm going to click on sign in with a different Microsoft account. And once we click on sign in with a different Microsoft account, it's going to be giving us this. And we're going to click on sign in options. You're going to click on forgot my username. And once you click on forgot my username, it's also going to give you an option of forgetting your password. All right. So once you choose forgetting your password for yourself, it's pretty easy to go along from there. So let's say I'm going to add something over here like this. Okay, I'm going to add my name. There we go. And once you add your name, it's going to give you the option to forget password. All right. And it's pretty easy to fill, information like this in. So let's say I'm going to paste this over here, click on next. And once we do this, you're simply going to go ahead and click on forget password over here, and it will take you through the steps of creating a new password. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.